In this short video, I will be sharing with you how you can get your own copy of the book for your use of English in Jamb, LEKKI Headmaster. Of course, I'm sure that you know that if you are going to be writing use of English, which is compulsory in your Jamb exam, you must read a novel. It's a novel that Jamb uses to assess how proficient and conversant you are with English words. So just pay attention, watch this video as I will share with you 4 ways you can download the book LEKKI Headmaster by Kabe Alabi Galba. Okay, as a Jamb candidate, you should know that before now, the book that Jamb was using was this book, The Life Changer. It was the normal book that Jamb used, but in this particular year's Jamb, they decided to change it to Jamb had made a statement that the novel, recommended novel, which is compulsory for all Jamb candidates, is now a different book written by a different author, no longer The Life Changer, but the recommended book is now LEKKI Headmaster, right? So, but then how do you get your own copy of the book? Number one method is that when you register for your Jamb, Jamb is supposed to give you a copy of the novel. It is part of the things you paid for, which is compulsory, it's not optional. Like paying for mock, Jamb mock is compulsory, is optional. You can decide to pay or you can decide not to pay. But this book, LEKKI Headmaster, once you register for your Jamb, they will give you a copy, normally a physical copy, for you to start reading. Is part of the things you pay for. So whenever you register for your Jamb, demand to be given a copy of LEKKI Headmaster, demand for a copy of the book, the LEKKI Headmaster, right? So the LEKKI Headmaster, they should give you a physical copy that you should read. But then there are other methods you can get. The next method, but before we go to the next method, if you don't know how to get your Jamb e-pin, electronic pin, just watch this particular video. This video is on our channel. I made this video. I will also drop the link to this video somewhere in this video. In this particular video you are watching, just watch this particular video. Get your e-pin here once you are done with watching this video. Okay, the next place you can download a copy of LEKKI Headmaster is the Jamb website, the official Jamb website. You can go there and get a copy. Once you go to the Jamb website, this Jamb website, go inside it, you can look for a copy, download a copy. In their resources area, you should find a copy of the LEKKI Headmaster. Now, and if you don't know how to do it, what you just need to do is to ask me to guide you. If you watch this video from beginning to the end and you subscribe to our YouTube channel, just come under this video and tell me, I have subscribed. Once you have subscribed, I can share with you Jamb past question and other resources you need, right? Okay, so go ahead and subscribe, like this video too, then watch this video from beginning to the end, then comment I have subscribed. You can also share the video so that your friends can also learn. Now, there is a video I already made. I want you to 7 mistakes you should not make as a Jamb candidate. Watch it. How to register for your Jamb, 7 Jamb registration requirements. Also watch this video. Now, another way to get your copy of LEKKI Headmaster is you can get it through me. I can send it to you. It is not free. I won't send it to you free, but you can also request for it. Once you watch this video to the end and subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed, then I will chat you up and send you the book, but it wouldn't be free. So you can get a copy, your own copy of LEKKI Headmaster from me or from my staff. Just watch this video from beginning to the end, then subscribe, comment I have subscribed, then we'll take it up from there. The next method is you can also buy from bookshops. They are both online and offline bookshop. You know about Roving Heights bookshop, you know about Okada books, you know Amazon. Just those bookshops you can search online, or you could also ask. You can get a copy of your own book. If you watch our YouTube channel, we have done we have summarized the chapters from the first chapter to the last chapter. So you can also watch this video. I will also drop the link to this particular video on our YouTube channel. So like I said, you can get a copy of Lekki Headmaster once you buy your Jamb pin. You can get a copy on the Jamb website. You can get a copy from me. Then you can get a copy from bookshops around. So go ahead, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and subscribe, share this video, like this video, and watch the particular videos I attach to it. We wish you all the best. Go ahead and watch the video right now.